welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening this care package and I'm just kind of excited to see what's in it because I don't know what's inside, and I think just a real-time reaction will be exciting. So the person that sent me this care package I have never met. We met on Facebook and it's like, can I send you a care package? I was like, sure. It's kind of risky, you know, just giving out your address to people you don't know, but we've been Facebook friends for a really long time. So I was like, okay, you can go ahead and send me a little something. And he asked me if I like needed anything. So I told him like random things that I feel like I need, but he's like, you're really gonna love it. Like, so I'm just kind of curious, like what's inside. So I figured, why not open it on camera? So here we go. Like, it was super hyped up, so I'm so curious what is inside this box. Oh, okay. All right. So we got some gift cards at the top. All right, so this is like $50 in gift cards right at the top. We like that. Oh, it's a blanket, a travel blanket. That's random, but it is cold. We'll take any blankets. Okay, what's in here? A tin of cookies. Y'all remember these tins? And when you was a kid, you open them up and it was never no cookies inside. Now I got a real tin of cookies. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is perfume. This is from Victoria's Secret called Love is Heavenly. $68, Jesus Christ. It better smell good. Matter of fact, I don't know if I need that. A tin of peppermint puffs, okay. What else we got? This is a fanny pack from Victoria's Secret. Okay. I wonder if this has a tag on it. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't need this at all. It might have probably came with like this stuff. We'll see. I'm terrible. I'm already trying to return stuff out the tin. I didn't even get all the way through it. I'm terrible. Oh yeah, there's a tag. It might have been on sale. Let's see. How do you put it on? There's no clip. Oh, the clip is on this side. I mean, who really needs a fanny pack? Some more body spray, Hot Petals by Pink. Smell this. This is really nicely packed up. It's like, yeah, my friend works at UPS and she's gonna pack it up real nice for you. I'm like, all right. Who says no to free stuff? Honestly, I don't. I rarely do. It smells like every Pink body spray, honestly. It really does. Honestly. It's not bad, but I don't love it. This is what I actually asked for. Some Tide Pods. He sent me the big bag. We love to see it. This I actually need. This is what I actually needed. Some Tide Pods. Hell yeah. spring meadow in this thing. All right, cool. Stuff I can actually use, not like worthless pieces of crap. Chocolate, Ferrero Rocher. Okay. These are hopefully pretty good. I don't really need any chocolate. Might re-gift that. What is this? 2 Pez dispensers, 2 Christmas candy Pez dispensers. That's cute. That's cute, real holiday-ish. And then there's one last thing in here. This is the last thing. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but we gonna find out. What is this? Oh, another Victoria's Secret. So clearly this man loves Victoria's Secret. And oh, okay, I see. This is another little bin of smell goods. It's a little gift set. Retail price was $85. Okay. I wonder how this smells. Tease. Yeah, this is like a tease set. So it comes with the lotion, 2 little sprays, and then a shimmer fragrance oil. All right. Well, that was a fun little package. I love, you know, opening up things that, getting things that were free. I'm gonna set this up so y'all can kind of see all the things that I got. It's like Christmas came early, you know? Love it. All right. Well, you guys, that was my whole box. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you get some nice Christmas gifts this season too. Subscribe, like my videos, leave comments, tell me what you want to see. I love to make content for you guys, so let me know what you want to see. Bye.